Let me show you how to use the screen recorder on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 and S11 Ultra. So first, if you swipe down from your right side, swipe down once more over here, you'll see you have this option for screen recorder. If you for some reason do not see it over here, you can also click this pencil thing, click edit, and in these available buttons you should see basically the screen recorder. Okay, so and to launch it, so we simply click on it, or also click and hold. So you see what happens if I click and hold on it. It actually will open basically the screen recorder settings. So you can actually like customize. For example, you see you can change like quality of the resolution. Also, you can even like record the selfie at the same time as well. Looks like on this tablet, which is absolutely awesome. And also we can also record with microphone as well. So make sure to select this over here if you also want to record the microphone and what you talk essentially, and also taps and touches over here. So you see then, if you want to launch it, so again, literally click on this once and you see, so again, it even offers a mic here as well. Okay, so we can start recording. It will start this countdown and you see you have this like indicator that it's recording, and next we can start doing basically something on this tablet here. And once you are satisfied, also you see if you click this pencil thing here, you can also like draw as well basically at the same time on this tablet. So again, once satisfied, once you want to end it, so click this over here and you see recording saved, and then it should be saved basically. Also you see in the notifications it even like says it's saved, so you can also check the recording. So you see basically recording here. Okay, and also probably if you go in the gallery, so you see also in the gallery basically you have this like the screen recording over here. You can do something with it. Okay, good luck.